Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Dealers. In this lecture, we will talk about the Python data processing. So it's when in this lecture we will talk about how to read the CSV file into the Python into your. So if you want to get more information about the Python data processing, so you can also switch to our website. The website is the www.salesforcedrillers.com. After the opening this page, click on the Learn Python section. After that, just scroll down and click on Python data processing. So what is the Python data processing? It's why in this tutorial we will discuss the reading the CSV file. It's a comma separated values. It is a fundamental necessary topic we will learn about. So Pandas library provide the full feature of the reading the CSV with the full control over the file. So how to get the file? So suppose it is my CSV file. So how do we read the file? So let's see into the program. So open the new notebook. So if you talk about this, so now you can see here is my file, here is the info. So here I'm adding some more data about it. So now you can see, suppose it's a roll number. So here is a, let's change it. So let's change it. So now you can see here is the data. So it is a CSV file. Okay guys, so it is a CSV file. So let's check it. So open the property. So now you can see it is a CSV file. So how we will be read the CSV file in the program, in the Python program? So let's see about it. Now what we have to do, so from google.colab, so import files. Okay guys, now uploaded equals to files dot upload. Okay, files dot upload. So run this program. So wait for it is the initialization starting. So it is connected. Now we will get the output. So it is a give the option for the choose the file. Now we have choose the file. It's a desktop. I am coming to desktop. It's my info.csv. So I'm select this. So it is the starting uploading. You can see that. Now what we have to do, it is a successful uploaded at the Google server. So code. Now import pandas as a PD. Now ABC, it's suppose ABC. Don't take the ABC. It's a data. So PD dot read CSV. So give the CSV name. So what is the name? So name is the info.csv. So now we have print the data. So run this program. So now you can see it is my data. It is successfully uploaded. So now what we do, so let's take the another things. So now we have write the code for reading the specific rows. So let's see how to read the specific rows. So it's a print, say it's data. Okay guys, so 0 and 2, it's a slicing. You have seen the list. So 0, it's 2. Now which we have column 2 want to slice. So take the name. So it is a name. Now close this and run program again. Now you can see it's a Rohan and so on only. So take another so 5 value. So you can see the 0 to 4. So Rohan, Sohan, Rima, Archana, and Rohit 2. So here is the two value that we have using. It's reading the specific rows. So now we have seen how to specific a column. So let's see. So let take the another tab. So print, so data dot log. So when we using log, the function means that we have using the more than one dimensional data. Okay, that's why we have using the log. So now take the another is a name, the name, and address too. So let's run this program again. So now you can see this is all the data is Rohan Sohan Rima. It is the address that is India. So it is the all they are all belongs from the India. So here you can see the read the all the values. If you want to create the roll number, so you can also take the roll number. So let's run this program again. Now you can see it's the roll number, all the roll number you can see. So that's it for this session, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. You have learned how to read the CSV file. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you, guys.